How are you? Good. We want to see my open trades. On Bitcoin, BNB, Ripple, we have open trades on Ethereum. We are also going to see it. And BNB. 30-minute time frame with Tesla's 78 robot. We will see the last trade. There is also a training on Friday. A combination of what I have said so far. And how to trade. Trading is not easy, but it is not as difficult as you think, and it is not that difficult. These are the trades that we are currently playing. I will also refresh you on the CoinCat tutorial. I will also put all the tutorials and so on in the caption. I have put them all here, just for fun. If you want, you can use this tutorial. It has good things and good features. Open trades. $146,000 in trades, $2,400 in profit, $4,800 in margin leverage, 50% in profit on Ripple, $3,100 in profit on BNB, $890 in profit. I got this by combining Tesla Team 45, banking strategy, and Market Watch. Market Watch is our new product on Telegram. Mian analyzes the market with 135 Mian indicators, and the points he is giving are truly unique. Now I have put his videos here. Everything in this video is about something. The links are in the video caption. If you want to know more, now we will go together and see the Tesla robot and its trades. But you can see which one you want yourself. Google Mian. You do it quickly. For example, this is a Tesla robot. Do you want to see what it's like? Type Tesla robot into Google. The first link that comes to you is the product page. You open it. And there are textual descriptions. These are my own videos that I posted for training, and I told you how it works. For now, you can find them from here. We said, Market iRobot. You search for Market iTrade Robot. The first link goes into the site. This is the site of this robot. I also put these in the caption. I put descriptions and so on and so forth. All of this. Let's go to the BNB chart and see what the Tesla robot has done. Let's put this chart without the robot and take a position. The first thing you should do for the Tesla robot is to make a candlestick. A normal candlestick is like this. See where it is. We're going up. You're going down. You're going to make a candlestick. Why? Because a candlestick makes the market noisy. In lower time frames like 30 minutes, we need to capture the noise. So, the first thing you do is set the candle to dynamic. Then, you activate the Tesla bot according to the strategies I mentioned here in the bot section. Now that I'm teaching you, you start trading. First, practice in demo mode until you get the hang of it, and then gradually increase your real investment. How does the systematic approach work? You enter on the close of the candle for a sell or buy, placing your stop loss at the previous low or the white line, depending on which one is closer. You take a risk of 1.5, 2, or 3, and then you go into the trailing stop. These green lines represent support and resistance levels, which are key points in the market. As you can see, it has reacted here. This was a support and resistance area. There are a few tricks you'll learn along the way. They taught you to take risks. The Trading Robot site. Come and learn how to trade. Here are parts 7 and 8. I think I told you about risk-free trading from a combination of these. I will teach you what I am telling you now and risk-free trading. Let's go and activate everything I told you. Here, we enter the closed candle from the last position of the sell. Stop and put the highs. Enter risk-free trading and put 2. And this trade is still open. The previous trade is coming, but it's coming. Good luck. The previous trade was a closed candlestick. Let me delete this. Let me do it myself. We enter the closed candlestick. The previous stub Levi's is now 1 or 2 candles before or the white line. The other white line is very close. 1 or 2 candles before. It's good. You're entering risk-free at 2. What does risk-free mean? This number here, I've explained it in my YouTube videos too. If you get stuck on any of it, just ask the support team and they'll send you the video. Risk-free is set to 2 and the target has been hit. How much is it? It says 1.21% profit. You see, the music is where? 1.21% profit. How much are you taking? It goes to your risk management system. They said to enter with what leverage and what amount. In this futures video, I explained it all in detail. For example, if you took a leverage of 30, let's say, here 30 times 1.21, how much is that? Let's bring out the calculator. 32, 21, 36, and 3. 36 and 3/10% profit. Here, the closing candlestick gave a signal. You entered the first one, the gray line, the color of the previous low. Your actions were the same, this low, that is, the high above, was the same. Now or here you would put the gray line. The second time, it came, it hit you. It crossed you by 56 and 100% profit you made. 56 and 100% profit. Or leverage 30 if you had 30. I'm saying 30. I'm not telling you nonsense. And I mean, we'll see. I myself try it with 30, 20, 60, etc. With the management system, you don't get a chess match, you get a penalty. But if you do it right, it works. We made a profit of 19.5% here. Here we enter with the data on the closed candle. We put the stop. At the previous level, that is, here is the stop. What is the previous level? We doubled the risk and reward. But it has come with the next step. It has hit our stop, your headspace, my headspace. If you can't handle this kind of use, then you don't deserve these profits. Let me show you something. Look here, you see? Right now, we're up $20,000 here, $3,000 here, and $8,000 here. So when we look at this, we're sitting on $6,000 in profit. But this is just from my previous trailing. If I go to the order history and check, the previous trailing profit was $6,000. It's doable. I've traded with a $500 account and a $100 account. Now you see, I'm sitting on $35,000 to $40,000 in trades because I have a good risk management strategy. If you notice you're making a lot of profits in a row, be cautious. If your win rate goes above 67%, be careful. We don't need to take unnecessary risks. Our risk-reward ratio is 2, meaning we aim for profits on both sides. For every profit we make, I get 2 of the pieces there. Don't push too hard. It should all be a profit. If you come in here and the next candle comes, you'll blow your stuff up. Go find another job. Go to a florist. Make herbal teas because they know how to repair mobile phones, sell clothes. There are all kinds of good jobs in the world. If you just want to make a profit, you should go sell something. For example, you can repair a water heater, because I know how to repair it. Go to the grocery store, engineer, sit down. Building a mindset takes a strong mentality, and that mindset has to accept that this is part of the market. If you can't accept this, then you don't deserve these profits. Look at how much we've lost. My note says I lost, right? My note says I lost 27. If you multiply that by 30, it becomes negative 27. We highlight this in red so that the loss is clear. Negative 27. Here, the sell gave a close candle. The closed candle is eating. It's going higher. We entered. The resprite entered too. This one was probably entered late. The resprite enters too. It hits 1.5 and 8.31. And a half and 8.37. And 4. Hey, it's 7 and 4. Our internet is weak. These aren't updating or what? Yes, here's the data. The previous one. The respawn came in, 2 came in, 1 and 7. 1 and 7, it's a little bit. It's a little bit. It's a little bit. It's a little bit. 1 and 7, 35 and 1, we add these together at the end. And see what has happened in these few trades. The sell signal, the close candle, the stub above the rise to the second. Is it difficult? No, you see, it's easy. Everyone can do it. Of course not. Why? Because one day, even 3 stacks will lose. It's in other videos. One day, even 2 stacks will lose. The first trade you make will lose. If you don't have the right mindset, if you can't handle it, you'll end up losing your capital. It'll hurt. You'll end up losing your money. Making money is not easy. Okay. If you don't have the mindset, if you definitely have the mindset, when the time is right, it's the easiest thing in the world to do. 2 and 16, 3 and 6, 4 and 8. Anything, not just anything. Just anything. Here are 2 triads stacked, meaning a buy gave us a buy. We were in a buy. The sell gave us a sell stop. I'll count that for you, so that you can get the thing. You can get the exact one. You know what the story is. Our belly was also opened here. I'll count that for you. The sell. The sell gave us a sell. The candle closes, and logically, you shouldn't take this one, because the market is moving in this direction. You already entered a buy position, so you wouldn't take this one. But let's say you did take it. The sell order closes, and the risk-reward ratio comes in. You set your stop loss above. The risk-reward ratio came in, and it hit the stop loss. How much did it become? 146, 146 times 30. If you can handle a 43% loss with risk management, that's 43% of your total capital, not 43% of 3%. In the market, 43% means at least I don't have the right setup for you. It was 43, it was 48. And we want to aim for 44. So here, the previous trade was a buy order, and we entered with the candle close, and the risk to reward ratio is 2. 2 and 7, 2, 6 profit. 8, 2 and 8. We place the sell order, and the candle closes. We set the stop loss above, and we place the risk-reward ratio at 2, targeting 1. 16, 34 and 8. By order, with previous stop loss, risk reward is 2. Target is 68 trillion. What is the correct answer? Hiram is a requirement of faith. So look how many more I got for you. Now this is also getting dark. It's like this. You can see the position. You don't need to take all of them. I just wanted to take a few, so you can learn. Just to see how systematic it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We took about 10 or 11 trades. Now, I didn't want to take this one. I said let's take that one instead. What happened with that? This trade is still open. The last trade hasn't been settled yet. This one has 36 in profit. Let's shrink this down a bit. So, we had profits in the range of 36 up to here, right? We had 19 up to here, yes? We had 47 up to here, minus 27 up to here, plus 51 up to here, and 64 up to here. We had a 2, 2 here. Let's subtract 4 here. It was negative. I subtracted that one. I subtracted 20 weeks. Now, add it up yourself. We had 34 here. We had 20 here, right? No, I added it up. Right now, look at the Chechen. devises themselves 822. 282. Write down your total capital, not your risk management. I explained it in detail in this video. The link is in the caption. Watch it. Take your time. I explained it to you for 30 minutes. Take your time. Learn how to invest. For example, 3% of your total capital will make 8% of your total capital, which is 8.5%. It's a matter of time. How long has it been since the first trade we considered, which was here? Until now? It's been 7 days and 60 hours. In a week, just on one page. So all pages, whether Forex or crypto, you change 4 of them. You say no, name it BTC USDT. You click on it. It calculates for you what kind of slap the BioSeal has given. For example, you want to trade Tala Zost. I made a mistake, come on, Zost. Again, BioSell, whatever with. You want to trade Ripple. Trade Ripple. I'll do everything. Okay, now what were we seeing? We were seeing BNB. That is, it only looks like a 1-day, 7-day period. What's so hard about it? The part that relates to this is being able to convert it. Everything in the world is easy. This is just like everything else. Thanks for taking the time. Look up Tesla's robot on Google. Check the caption for the tutorial. And they've also put up guides on how to use this exchange without any hassle. This is the same exchange I'm trading on right now. Come and enjoy it. Your time is valuable. Goodbye.